Good morning. This is Father Anand Andrew, hailing from St. Joseph Church and Parish, Eluru Diocese. I am here to introduce about this small project, incoming generation, that will help my community, parish community, to get profit from this chicken coop or from this small project, through which I can help many poor children for their education and some of the needy in the parish, to help the medical aid and to give school supplies, uniform, and so many things, social activities. All the more as my parish has no other way income source. So this would like to maybe a great idea to start this poultry, so that we can get some profit, an income generation profit we can say, and through that I can again restart, and through this profit I can spend this amount for the quality of the people, to improve their quality and development of the parish social activities. And as you see here, these chicks are around 500 in this chicken coop, and it will be taking around 40 to 50 days to get good weight, at least 1.5 and 2 kgs. And for each chick we can say we can sell it like 55 to 60 rupees in the market, and in the bulky we can get profit besides our expenditure, and we get some profit. And with that profit I would like to spend the amount for the need of the parish activities, especially for the
as you've just
school
heard from my
children
friend Father Andrew,
and
this
for their
poultry farming
education.
project is quite small. The reason we started this project was to help create self-sufficiency through income generation. This project will help to do just that. Many donors, myself included, feel strongly and more motivated in supporting those projects that help to create self-sufficiency, and the income-generating aspect of this project will help to achieve this objective. The communities that Father Andrew works in are quite poor, and the income that can be generated through this project will be used for the following purposes, to name a few: childhood vaccinations, school supplies, teaching aids, and scholarship assistance. However, in order to truly make this project self-sufficient, it will be necessary to increase the number of chickens being raised to 2,000. Only 60 contributions of $50 or 150 contributions of $20 are needed to make this possible. If you'd like to support this worthwhile project or would like additional information, please visit www.stjosephchurchindia.org. You can contribute safely online using PayPal. Thank you very much for your support.
Would be of great benefit in order to help the community of St. Joseph.